Looking for a reliable, low mileage van that's ready to take you wherever you need to go? Check out this 2013 Ford E350 Super Duty Passenger XLT van. With just 115,000 miles, it's got plenty of life left for your next adventure. Considering its age, that's low mileage, so you're getting a solid, well-maintained vehicle. This Ford comes with up-to-date Georgia state emissions, ensuring it's ready to hit the road today. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by our Quality Plus warranty, offering you 3 months or 3,000 miles of coverage for peace of mind. And when you purchase today, you can add our 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, in addition to the advertised price. Want even more protection? Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade available at the time of sale. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection so you can buy with confidence. Visit us today and take this 2013 Ford E350 Super Duty XLT van for a spin. With low miles and plenty of service life ahead, it's ready to serve your needs.